Did you know that most 24-volt DC sensors require NEC Class 2 protection? Do you know what NEC Class 2 protection is? Maybe you just want to know how to add this standard to your panel without having to add panel space or eat into your budget. My name is Alejandro Rangel, and today we'll be discussing Rockwell's 1694 electronic circuit protector and how you can add branch circuit protector to your panel. The NEC Class 2 standard is a standard for low voltage DC sensors where a protector is able to limit the amperage and voltage outputted to a limit of 100 watts. With this setup, the 1694 ECP allows you to add the Class 2 protection to all of your devices downstream from your distribution modules. In a typical setup, you have a power supply and your terminal blocks. From the terminal blocks, you would have to route a multitude of wires out to your sensors. Using the 1694 electronic circuit protector, you can actually eliminate all terminal blocks and simply route your sensors directly from the distribution modules. If you needed to expand the amount of sensors that you have, but you cannot add panel space, then you can simply route the output of the protection modules to your terminal block banks and be able to now expand the terminal blocks for added sensors. The first module that we have is the power in module that is connected directly to the power supply. Next, we have the protection module, which limits the amperage to 4 amps with 24 volts, giving you an output wattage of 96 watts. And next, we have the power in distribution module. And lastly, the return voltage and the return voltage distribution module. With just these 5 modules encompassing about 2.5 inches of space, you are able to power 20 sensors directly from the electronic circuit protector. You can also run the out of the distribution module to your terminal block and have 20 sensors on the ECP and 20 more sensors on your terminal blocks, giving you a total of 40 sensors. With the electronic circuit protector and just 2.5 inches of panel space, you can add your Class 2 protection and have a very budget-friendly option to be able to have future expansions. With a few half-inch modules, you can revolutionize your panel. Adding the 1694 electronic circuit protector allows you to protect your circuits from short circuits, ground faults, and faulty equipment. The functionality of each module is independent of each other, making sure that if you do have any faults or loss of communication, it will not affect the other modules. To discuss the design of your application, or if you need technical support configuring your 1694 electronic circuit protector, contact me or your local industrial component specialist at the Reynolds Company, or contact us online. Thank you for tuning in.